You say truckin', we say crown. Truckin', crown, truckin', crown. You say tribe, we say proud. Tribe, proud, tribe, crown. Dip, shift, glow and ride. We the baddest, honey tribe.
What's up, gang? What's up? What's up? So I got some very bad news for you all. I am leaving this company that I am at. For those of you who was nosy as a motherfucker, the company is R.E. Garrison. I was pulling for these guys. So I'll dive into more of what went wrong later, but right now I am packing up my truck. Pretty much got everything out. I got a few more things that I need to get out, which is just like stuff up here and stuff up here, but everything else is out. I don't have room for my mattress. For the mattress, I think I paid about shit. That mattress is maybe $150, $200, something like that. But it's all right. That's the only thing that I can't fit in my car is the mattress, but everything else is clean. I know y'all probably like, this bitch is such a quitter, but you know what? Some things ain't meant for everybody, and I just feel like if this was meant for me, it wouldn't be such a fucking hassle. Like, this thing wouldn't be such a struggle, you know. It would just flow like water if this was really for me. Not to mention, I only been gone for a week because I had some issues at home that I had to take care of, and now my APU unit is not working. So the switch for the APU is back here. You just press this and turn this knob, and when I got in the red signal, caution signal was on. So let me let y'all hear how it sounds when it try to start. This motherfucker is struggling. Until I turn it off, once I hit that button inside, it's gonna keep doing that. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. And the truck won't start. Oh, it started. Now, honestly, I don't know what the fuck that was about, and I ain't trying to figure it the fuck out. So when you're doing lease purchase, anything that goes wrong with the truck mechanically, we are responsible for paying for it. So whatever the issue is with this unit and this truck, you got to know your girl was gonna have to pay for that. And it just cut off. The motherfucker just cut off. Something wrong with this truck. I'm not sure what, but the bitch just cut off. And like I said, I only been gone for a week, 5 days. This shouldn't be doing this. I'm not sure what the fuck is going on, but like I said, lease purchase, we are responsible for paying for this shit. So whatever issues is going on with this bitch, I was gonna have to pay for it. And then also, being that I took a week off, I am currently now in the hole. So once I would have came back Monday, which is tomorrow, and worked for the whole week, I wasn't gonna get no check, because I have to now, because even though you take off, you still are responsible for paying your truck note and stuff. It's like having a car. Just because you take off don't mean shit don't stop. This shit keep flowing type shit. So it would have definitely put me in a hole for going home for this last week. So, and then it's just like I'm working for free type shit. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go get my shit and go type shit. And I had switched my fleet manager, and it seemed like from once I got a new fleet manager, it seemed like the Munyans was there. And I know these motherfuckers sit in the same little cubicle, and I know that other fleet manager was talking shit about me to the other one. And I don't know if that's what that got to do with it, but at first I was getting like loads, $1,000 loads per load, every load with the last fleet manager. Then the new fleet manager, I only had him for 2 weeks, and baby, I wasn't getting shit. 600, 700 loads, that's it. $600, $700 loads, that was it. So this week my check wasn't nothing but $135. I only got a good two 2 good checks. 3, I'm lying. My first 2, and I got another one for $1,700. Ever since then, like, bro, I've been getting $100 checks, $600 checks, $400 checks, and for me, it's just not worth it. And then, like I just said, now I just put myself in a hole. So now it's just gonna be like, once you go in arrears, it's hard to get yourself out. And for me, it's gonna be like I'm working for free, and I'm not a slave. Y'all already know how I feel about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go more into it later on in the video about, like, you know, a little deeper about what happened with the fleet manager and all that stuff. Right now, I'm just packing up my truck and letting y'all see the ending chapter of what I had going on over here at Garrison. I only been with them for, I want to say, approximately 2 months, and that thing is over for me already. When you know, you just know. Ain't no sense of fucking dragging this along knowing it ain't working for me. It ain't fucking working. So on to the next. Okay, that's just the end of that. So let me continue cleaning out this truck, and then I'm gonna holler at y'all later on in the video and tell y'all more about what the fuck just took place and why I'm leaving. All right, gang, the truck is clean and I'm heading home. This is kind of bittersweet, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not saying I'm not trucking anymore, but as of right now, I'm just taking a break from trucking. I'm extremely exhausted. I'm just taking a break. I might take a couple months off and then jump back in, but yeah, honey tribe, sorry to break the news to you all, but sis got to do what's best for her, okay? Anywho, if you absolutely enjoy my content and it connects, make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know how y'all feeling. I know y'all about to be popping shit, but it's all good. Anywho, welcome to the tribe for the newbies who has just recently joined the tribe, baby. I'm sorry, but we're not saying this is over, but we got some other shit in lined up for the channel, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Honey tribe, honey tribe, honey tribe. Y'all already know the motherfucking vibe. Drop that bumblebee in the comment section down below. Rep your motherfucking set. Y'all already know my spiel. If you out there getting them shit coins, baby, be safe. Make sure you drink some water, and make sure you mind the business that pays you. In the meantime, between time, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Namaste. Farewell, highway honey. I'm a little sad about leaving her. It's been real. I gotta go, people. I gotta go, unfortunately. Bye, highway honey.
Lady Luck is a trailblazing content creator, entrepreneur, and the bold voice behind the Honey Tribe, a movement rooted in healing, hustle, and hope. As a female truck driver thriving in a male-dominated industry, she's breaking barriers and building bridges, showing women that they don't have to shrink to fit into anyone's box. With her signature authenticity, street smarts, and a whole lot of heart, she uses her platform to document real life on the road, while also teaching truckers how to build their own brands and bank accounts from the cab of a rig. Through her YouTube vlogs, Instagram, merch line, and motivational funny content, Lady Luck represents the everyday hustler who's tired of surviving and ready to thrive. She's proof that you can turn pain into purpose and still mind the business that pays you. Whether she's delivering freight, dropping gems, or building community with her honey tribe, she's here to shift the culture. 1 mile, 1 message, and 1 mindset at a time.
Hey, bro, I ain't really want nothing in particular, man. Just hitting you up, letting you know, man, I see the big things you're doing, man. Super proud of you. Let's continue to change this narrative.
Son, I know how hard it is in this world as a black man, but you're striving. Beyond that, you're thriving.
When you see that black man with you, that's my brother, understand, could you? Times are so rough, time to show up, time to show love. When you see that black man with you, that's my brother, understand, could you? Times are so rough,
That's
time to show up.
Thank you.
Time is for us. Right now it's time for correction. A moment to change, I said some time for reflection. You the man in the frame, many brothers on front lines, what happened to loving? Men that's black against the wall and the winter is coming. Streets grown so cold, but heat taking the life. And while your heart turned froze over pursuing some why they deliver my cousin slugs not addressed to him.
We was the best of friends, we would invest our ends. Dreaming about all the wins, we would get off spins. He said he copped the range and I would cop the Benz, but I never caught the pain that had boxed him in. He told me, don't nobody talk to him about them dark thoughts, should always be assaulting him. I told him, dog, I'ma stand by your side on the days you laugh and on the days you cry. You gotta, when you see that black man with you,
That's my brother, understand, could ya?
times are so rough,
Time to show up.
time to show love.
When you see that black man with ya,
That's my brother, understand, could you?
times are so rough.
Time to show up.
This time is for us.
When I think about lifting up the brotherhood, I think about teaching them the truth, showing them the truth, teaching them to walk in truth, talk in truth, live the truth. The truth will allow you to be with people, go places and do things you couldn't do otherwise. So teaching them, speak the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Right now I gotta bring the beat down. Got a couple questions, can you tell me how?
Black man, do you know that you a king? Do you know you come from royalty and noble things?
Do you know they love your style, that's why they imitate it? Do you know they envy you, that's what the source of hate is?